Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 7th of November 2020 and in this video we are going to see all the important current affairs from 7th of 2020. Before starting today's video, we will quickly revise the questions asked in our last video. Our first question was, which state government has recently announced to launch a land web portal called Dharni? Answer is Odisha. Which state government has planned to convert 300 Jilla Parishad school into model schools? Answer is Maharashtra. Which of the following day is celebrated as National Unity Day? Answer is 31st October. In which of the following state recently first ever seaplane service of India has been inaugurated? Answer is Gujarat. Fifth question was, which institution has released the report titled the Annual State of Education Report recently? Answer is Pratham. Next question was, which state government has passed a bill for 7.5% reservation in medical seats to students which have studied in state government schools? Answer is Tamil Nadu. Seventh question was, Sir Thomas Sean Connery has recently died at the age of 90. He was dash. He was an actor. Name the Earth observation satellite which will be launched by ISRO on November 7, 2020. Answer is EOS-01. Which of the following country has set a target of achieving zero carbon emission by 2050 recently? Answer is Japan. And last question was, which of the following organizations has launched an initiative called Meri Saheli? Answer is Indian Railways. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now we will start today's video. Our first question is, which state government has recently launched the Young Advocates Welfare Fund? Answer is option number 1, Tamil Nadu. The Young Advocate Welfare Fund has been launched in Tamil Nadu by Tamil Nadu state government, and the Young Advocate Welfare Scheme is aimed at helping such fresh candidates to withstand the initial challenges. Under the scheme, monthly financial assistance of 3,000 rupees each will be provided for 2 years to the lawyers who just came out of the law colleges. Answer will be option number 1, Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, look at the map. This is Tamil Nadu. Capital is Chennai. Governor is Banwari Lal Purohit. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Idapati K. Palaniswamy. Tamil Nadu's legislature has 234 members. 39 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 18 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is the 10th largest state by area and 6th largest by population in India. It is the third largest state, having coastline at about 906.9 kilometers. It borders with Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry, and Bharatanatyam is the main dance form of Tamil Nadu. Next, John Magufuli has recently become the president of dash. Answer is option number 2, Tanzania. Recently, John Magufuli has become the new president of Tanzania. Tanzania, look at the map. This is Tanzania. Capital is Dodoma and currency of Tanzania is Tanzanian shilling. Third question is, which state has introduced the transgender option in the gender category in the state civil and allied services examination application form? Answer is option number 4, Assam. Recently, the state government of Assam has introduced the transgender option in the gender category in state civil and allied services examination application form. With this, Assam Public Service Commission has become the first state public service commission in the country to introduce transgender as an option in its forms. Answer will be option number 4, Assam. Assam, look at map. This is Assam. Capital is Dispur. Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Chief Minister is Sarbananda Sonowal. Its legislature has 126 members. 14 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 7 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Assam. It borders with Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram and Bangladesh. Main river is Brahmaputra. Festival is Bihu. Official language is Assamese, and it is the largest tea producing state in India. Also, Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam, and Majuli, which is the largest river island in the world, is also located in Assam. Fourth question is, which of the following day is celebrated as World Tsunami Awareness Day? Answer is option number 2, 5th November. Every year, 5th November is celebrated as World Tsunami Awareness Day, and as per a report released by United Nations, in past 100 years, tsunami has claimed more than 2,60,000 lives, surpassing any other natural hazard. That's the reason to spread awareness among people across the world in matters related to the dangers of tsunami. It is celebrated on 5th of November each year. Answer will be option number 2. Next question is, which state government has launched Swami Atmananda Government English Medium Scheme? Answer is option number 2, Chhattisgarh. Recently, the state government of Chhattisgarh has launched Swami Atmananda Government English Medium School Scheme, and an amount of rupees 130 crore has been allocated for this scheme, and the scheme has been launched to build English medium schools in the state so as to give an education facility in the English language also. Answer will be option number 2, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, look at the map, this is Chhattisgarh. It was formed on 1st of November 2020. Earlier, it was under Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Raipur. Governor is Anusuya Uike. Chief Minister is Bhupesh Baghel. Its legislature has 90 seats. 11 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 5 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Chhattisgarh. It is the 9th largest state by area and 17th largest by population in India. It borders with Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana and Maharashtra, and Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, Rihand and Indravati are the main rivers of Chhattisgarh. Sixth question is Priyanka Radhakrishnan, an Indian origin politician, has recently become the first Indian origin minister in dash. Answer is option number 2, New Zealand. This is Priyanka Radhakrishnan. She is an Indian origin New Zealand politician, and she has created history by becoming the first Indian Kiwi woman to become a minister in New Zealand. She was born in Chennai in Tamil Nadu, and she has been appointed as the Minister for Community and Voluntary Sector, Minister for Diversity, Inclusion and Ethnic Communities, Minister for Youth and Associate Minister for Social Development and Empowerment in the Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern's cabinet recently. Answer will be option number 2, New Zealand. New Zealand, look at the map. This is New Zealand. Capital is Wellington. Prime Minister is Jacinda Ardern and currency of New Zealand is New Zealand dollar. Seventh question is which of the following company has recently selected as the title sponsor of the 2020 edition of Women's T20 Challenge? Answer is option number 2, Jio. Recently, BCCI has announced Jio as the title sponsor of the 2020 edition of the Women's T20 Challenge. What is Women's T20 Challenge? It is a 2020 cricket tournament established by BCCI, that is Board of Control for Cricket in India, in 2018, and this tournament in 2020 has been organized from 4th to 9th of November 2020. Answer will be option number 2, Jio. Next question is who has been honored with Ejuthasan Award 2020 recently? Answer is option number 2, Paul Jhacharia. Look at the image. This is Paul Jhacharia. He is an Indian writer of Malayalam literature, and he recently has been selected for the 28th Ejuthasan Award 2020. This award is named after the T. Ejuthasan, who is the father of the Malayalam language, and consists a cash prize of rupees 5 lakh and a citation. Answer will be option number 2, Paul Jhacharia. And this award called Ejuthasan Award is a highest literary award of Kerala government. Next, India's first solar-driven miniature train has been inaugurated in dash recently. Answer is option number 3, Kerala. Recently, in Kerala, India's first solar energy-driven miniature train has been inaugurated at the Valley Tourist Village by Chief Minister P. Vijayan, and this train covers a distance of 2.5 km with 3 bogies that can accommodate nearly 45 people at a time, and it features a fully equipped train system including a tunnel, station and a ticket officer. Answer will be option number 3, Kerala. Kerala, look at the map. This is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Governor is Arif Mohammad Khan. Chief Minister is P. Vijayan. Its legislature has 140 seats. 29 members are elected to Lok Sabha and 9 members are elected to Rajya Sabha from Kerala, and it borders with Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Next, Satish Prasad Singh has recently died at the age of 84. He was the former Chief Minister of which of the following states? Answer is option number 2, Bihar. Look into the image. This is Satish Prasad Singh. He was an Indian politician, and he was the Chief Minister of Bihar for a very brief tenure of just 5 days in 1968. Answer will be option number 2, Bihar. Now, answer of the question which was asked in last video. Question was, which of the following state has topped in recently released Anemia Mukt Bharat Index 2020? Answer is Haryana. Recently, Haryana has been ranked at the top in the Anemia Mukt Bharat Index among the 29 states in India. Answer will be option number 2, Haryana. Now, today's question is, which of the following nation has recently launched no mask, no service policy? Options are Nepal, India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss the question in the next video.